If you forgot the screen lock password to your Samsung Galaxy A17 and now you cannot unlock your phone, in order to get the access back, you will most likely have to perform the factory reset by using the recovery mode. And it's gonna be a little bit tricky because normally when we try to turn off our phone, which is something that we will have to do, while without unlocking the phone, then you are asked to enter the password anyway, so you cannot really turn off the phone. However, there is a little workaround that allows us to go to the recovery mode even without the password. But you will have to use the USB cable and connect your phone to a computer. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna connect our phone to the computer like this. And then once it happens, you will have to force restart your phone. To force restart, we will press power button and volume down button. And we need to keep holding these two buttons until the screen turns off. And once the screen turns off, you want to switch from these two buttons to power button and volume up. You will have to hold these two buttons. And then once you see the Samsung logo, you will only have to hold the volume up button until you are in the recovery mode. So let me finally demonstrate. So first we're gonna press and hold the power button and volume down button and just keep holding like this until the screen turns off. Now switch to power button and volume up, and now just volume up. And keep holding volume up until you see the recovery mode. And there we go. Now we can release the volume up button. Over here in the recovery mode, we navigate by using volume buttons, so use volume up and down in order to choose a different option. And we need to find wipe data / factory reset. And over here we confirm our choice by pressing the power button, and then over here go to factory data reset and confirm once again with the power button. However, of course, this is factory reset, so everything that you have on your internal storage will be erased. So unfortunately, if you didn't make any backup, then you will lose pretty much everything that you have on your smartphone, unfortunately. But at least you will have the access back. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.